Hi there everyone and welcome to the weekend. To all the family members and subscribers, thank you so much for being here. I hope that you're all well. Right, another taste test today folks. And today we've got a little bit of yellow sticker action going on. And this is from Yo. And it's Tempura Prawns. Extra large king prawns in a light and crispy tempura batter. 150 grams. And it should have been, I think it says £3.50. And it was reduced to 90p. In here there are king prawns, 39%, salt, pentasodium triphosphate, sodium polyphosphate, water, wheat flour, soybean oil, modified tapioca starch, cornstarch, soybean protein, sodium bicarbonate, salt, sodium hydrogen carbonate, and a colour riboflavin. It's from the Yo Sushi Company, and you do them 14 to 15 minutes in an oven at 180 for fan, 200 without fan or gas mark 6. And there's the nutritional information should you wish to stop the video and take a look. And according to this, there's 2.9 grams of fat, 0.7 grams saturates, 0.6 grams of sugar, 0.15 grams of salt. Right, £3.50 to 90p. Let us see. And that's what they look like after they've come out of the oven. They look all nice and golden, and the tempura batter looks nice and crispy. So let us give it a go. I'll give them a go even. Right, there they are folks. I've got a really nice crunch to them. The prawn inside is absolutely lovely. I am a fan of prawns, of course, so it always helps. Right, the tempura batter. As you can see, it's very well cooked. And that's the prawn again inside. I'm just going to try the batter on its own. As I say, it's got a very nice crunch, but unfortunately it's largely flavourless. It would be a lot better with a dip of some kind. Try the prawn on its own. The prawn is lovely, really nice and meaty, very tender. I would imagine that these would be nice with a dip of some kind. I'm just going to try one with some salt. I know some people don't approve, but there, just a tiny bit. That has made all the difference. That tiny amount of salt has lifted all the flavours, the batter and the prawn. It's much better now. Well, there we are again. Do I think that they're worth £3.50? I'm sure that's what it says there. I suppose with them being what they are, the answer to that is yes. Because seafood is more salt, folks, sorry. Seafood is quite expensive. Would I buy them again? Not at the original price, I don't think. If I see them again for, was it 90 pence? Then yeah. Overall, they're very nice. But again, for me, and maybe it's just my personal taste, it lacked that bit of seasoning. But then again, I am from a generation where food always had plenty of seasoning, and it's called seasoning for a reason. And sadly, so many of today's products seem to be lacking in the most basic, simple things. But I'm not going to get into that now because I know it's a minefield. So, my family and friends, if you've liked what you've seen, please hit the like button. If you've tried any of these, or even if you haven't, please leave a comment in the box below. I would love to know your thoughts on them. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads. I've got quite a lot planned. And if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. It will cost you absolutely nothing, helps the channel grow, and we become part of that bigger community. Thank you all once again so much for being here, for your support and your kindness. And on that point, as always, I will say to you all, Namaste. May your God go with you. Bye for now, everyone. And have a great weekend.